For more than 50 years, the Brown family has created some of the most iconic documentary films in adventure sports. And now, we've got a brand new story to tell. No matter where you live, or what kind of bike you ride, there's a common bond and passion every rider feels when they turn that throttle.
It doesn't matter if you're a big-time dude or the average Joe, your love is in that bike.
My only memories are racing a motorcycle. I don't remember anything else.
Every time that I'm riding, if I'm not pushing it, I'm not having that much fun.
If I wasn't here doing this right now, I'd be somewhere else frustrated.
Hands down, in my opinion, this is the gnarliest sport in the world.
There are injuries and there's a lot of stuff along the way, but the human spirit will never die.
The hero in my life is a motorcycle. It's given me a passport to travel around the world and to see exotic places.
Something about being a true motorcyclist, doing something that you love, and it creates these really good friendships and bonds.
The bikes are pieces, but sometimes it feels like it has some life in it.
Join us for the latest chapter in the groundbreaking film legacy that celebrates the motorcycle and those who ride.
It's a disease, and once you have it, it doesn't leave your body ever.